In this era, we have a lot of people who wants to learn the forex market, who wants to learn how to trade the forex market. After learning, at the end of the day, we found out that those people are still not profitable. They will still working from other companies, bringing the money to the forex market and losing the money to the market consistently. Now, there are some things that you need to understand. At the FOREX Academy, we make sure that as beginner traders, we will not be taught to trade a demo account, because the demo account is the #1 foundation that causes many traders to lose confidence in their strategy by the time they go live. If you don't even know anything about the forex market, so long you are and you are here, you have a live account. As we are teaching you, when we are teaching you is when we are trading, even from our own account here at JFOREX trading floor in Lagos State. Now, what am I trying to say? In the forex market, there are some basic things that the forex market is far beyond what you think when you see somebody's lifestyle online. Things that many mentors teach you, like understanding the fundamentals, understanding the technical analysis, using different patterns. A lot of people will introduce you to ICT strategy, SMC strategy, price action strategy, liquidity, and so all of that. Now, forex is far above all those strategies. Strategies is something that will help you to know when to buy and when to sell. But there is something that you still need to learn if actually you want to be making money in the forex market, which is you need to learn how to make money using a particular strategy. We use the price action strategy to analyze the market technically and fundamentally. We trade the market. We also analyze the market fundamentally. Now, when it comes to making money, we have what is called excellence when it comes to business orientation that will be given to you from the class on how to grow your account consistently. Once you're clear with your $20 or $10, you can always be trading and be learning and also be making profit for yourself. What are you waiting for? Why not join us today and see you in our next class?